What is up, guys? We are back again, and today's going to be a little bit of an easier day. Got Jordan coming by. He's got a buddy's EVO 10 that he's going to be bringing, and we're just going to be doing a little bit of little tiny work to it. We got some lug nuts to throw on. He wants to check out one of his signal bulbs, but that's not the real reason we're making this video. That EVO is kind of a fun EVO to drive around in, so he's got it for the day. We're going to do a little bit of fix-up things on it, and he's headed his way here now, so I think in the meantime while I wait, I'm gonna have a bowl of cereal, get ready for the day, and then we'll see. Maybe I gotta take the F-150 out, gotta get it cleaned after all these snows we've had here in Colorado. Don't know how that salt's gonna be affecting the bottom of the car. So tune back in when Jordan gets here and we'll see what the EVO looks like. Oh, I think I hear him coming. Hear an exhaust, I hear squeaking brakes, and I hear a big turbo. Oh, he's making a big entrance. Oh, there he is.
All kinds of in here. It's like I own this motherfucker. Sorry, I forgot we can't cuss. No swearing. Swearing is bad.
It's a family-friendly channel.
Family-friendly channel.
Oh man, she's clean. That's sick, dude. You ready to get some food?
Heck yeah, I'm ready to get food. This thing is dangerous.
Do we run or is it on the turbo timer?
No, it's just running. I like pinned it crossing 36 on, is that your trash?
Yeah.
Dude, I just got on it, and then all of a sudden I was like, oh, that kind of looks like an undercover cop. Like the Ford. I can't think of it.
The show?
Yeah, the show.
The Tars?
No, it wasn't the Tars, but I like go flying past this chick, and I was like, oh, yeah, that was sure shit a cop. She like pulls up to me at the next light, and then like right as she's coming up, it turns green, so I start going, and she just like rolls her window down and looks over at me, rolls her window up, and keeps going. I was like, all right.
Can't stay out of trouble in this thing.
No, it just wants you to, dude. You're at like $2,000 and it's just spooling.
Oh, should we give him a rundown on what the car is?
Dude, there's so much that. So if you want to follow the owner of this car, his name is Daily_EVO X. His name is Sergio on Instagram. And as far as I know, he has a completely built motor by Totes Performance out here in Colorado. He just had a built transmission put in it by Sheepy Built. He's got an FP Black turbo. I think they're 400cc injectors. I'm trying to think of what else he has. He
got a new diff.
He definitely has a new diff because he locked up his LSD. I know he has cams in it, but I don't know what kind of cams they are. ETS front mount. It's on E85. Makes around 600 through the wheels.
Think homeboy mind if we pop the hood?
Oh, not a lot. I know there's way more done to it, but I can't prove it.
There's the front mount there.
Synapse wall mount.
I haven't seen one of those fucking
BMWs. I haven't had to touch one of these things in forever.
Those headers. We should get them onto an engine tuck. What all we got to do today? I know we got to throw the lug nuts on.
Once his new lug nuts put on. Once his oil catch can drained out.
Is that one back there?
Yeah, and then he just wants to check this bulb because his turn bulb is out.
Well, yeah, you got to have the signals on for the hazards. Oh yeah, his catch can's smoking.
That thing's probably full.
When's the last time he emptied it?
He's never emptied it. every time that he takes it to Totes, apparently Totes yells at him for not emptying it. Because he told him to empty it every week. Where do you want to go get food?
That's a good question.
Good question.
We're going to decide where we get food.
Right. We're not going to be able to do it.
No. We'll be able to do it.
Oh, me, dude. Oh, God.
Yeah, don't worry. The bottom of the F-150 scrapes on that. Getting close to the highway.
all these ignorants are gonna get on. We're not gonna be able to do shit. Oh. I'm so sorry, Sergio. I tried.
That hurt me.
It was either that hole or the guardrails. The freaking guardrail. Freaking. Sorry. Oh yeah, get a little closer. Watch me roll back and hit your bumper. I mean, sorry, I have a problem.
I think you meant cut. Do we know if we shoot flames, dude?
Oh, it shoots flames in a two-step, yeah.
Haha.
Shoots big fire.
I have to hold the camera still so it doesn't smack me in the face. How long has it been since you've been in a fast car?
About a year.
I'm amazed how quiet he is in here. Oh, there's a
Cut up.
There's a mini want some?
She was right on my ass right as we pinned it.
Does a mini want some? Oh, I love turbo sounds. Hey, look at the mountains though.
What a beautiful scene. Scenery.
Missed the tunnel again.
What'd you want me to do? Pin it right into the back of this Mazda and send that thing all the way into the parking lot of the mall? Probably could have gotten him a front row spot.
Hey, we still gotta wash the F-150 today too.
We gotta do a lot.
That thing's got salt caked
My
on.
number one priority is getting this Freddy's and shaving. Screw this no shave November crap.
I don't know, I've been doing pretty good.
I don't see a Freddy's, Travis. Left or right? Left or right? Well, right?
Yeah.
Where right?
Right here, right.
You want to wait until I start turning right and then tell me to go left?
Do you want to turn left?
Sure. Do we have one right next to work? Oh, boy, do I eat there. All right, figure it out, Mercedes. Get out of my way. Okay, yeah, just come on back. We're gonna do what cool people do, and we're gonna back.
Alright, done with Freddy's. Going back home. Gonna get all this massive work done.
Dude, I don't know. I ate way too much food. This place is dangerous.
Look how rich this thing is idling.
Didn't even crank the first, or it was cranking. It wouldn't even start the first time. It was just like.
Looks like there's an RS6 next to us. Think he wants any?
Might not. He might.
Oh yeah?
Yep.
Oh yeah? Look at him. He gave me all his shit. Clutches in, it's in first.
I'm gonna give him some flutter, see if he wants to play.
Listen, I don't even care if we go past my house.
Yo, I don't either. Damn.
Is that the Sentra?
Oh, he's behind us now.
Is he behind us? Oh boy. It was kind of ominous in the side view.
Nice.
I dig it. Oh, I'm hoping.
So I'm gonna get in front of this dude and get over one.
Why don't you get over two?
Make it over four.
Oh, that would have sucked if you stopped. Are you getting beat? Oh, you're getting beat. Warming up the tires.
Way fucking sideways. He just fucking bought it too.
Huh? Thing's pretty neat.
Dude, it pulled so much. I hit a little rivet or something in the road.
Oh,
Out in the road, and that shit was like.
I thought you were warming up the tires.
That might have scared him a little bit though.
Alright, so we ran into our first little issue here. Boy Sergio got 12 by 1.25 lugs. So.
And the thread pitch is 12 by 1.5. Hello?
It's because it's an iPhone.
I'm gonna have to call this man over Snapchat.
See? iPhone. So I guess the next thing we got to do is what, the catch can?
Yeah. And just turn signal bulb.
You're telling me I went to school for like 4 years to put a turn signal bulb in an EVO?
Yep.
Which one's the turn signal bulb anyway? That one right there in the middle?
No, I'm pretty sure it's the LED. It's that white LED strip underneath the bulb. Turn the right one.
Alright, so it's the inner one into the LED. Turn the left one, left one on. So the bulb is out. Turn the right one on again. The bulb is out and half the strip is out. Yeah, the bulb and half the strip is out. So we could at least replace a bulb for him, but yeah. The strip is probably going to be like a headlight reman or a new headlight.
Well, Pete is the one who did his headlight.
Oh, so did he...
So he's just going to have to take it back to Pete and have Pete.
Did he redo the whole headlight from stock?
I think he bought another set and had these ones done. I don't know if he still has another set. These might be the original ones.
How come the simplest things are all falling apart right now? Pays to have tiny hands, Jordan.
Huh?
Pays to have tiny hands, Jordan. I got the signal bulb out. Look at that bulb, Jordan. He's done for.
So, now we got...
What is that, an 8.7?
I have no idea what it is.
Oh, it can't be an 8.7 because it'll be a two-way bulb. That's probably what the 9005 is, because I think the 9006 is just a headlight bulb. You know who will have it?
No, but I bet you're going to tell me.
O'Reilly's.
Okay, driver? Yeah, this is the wrong one.
Why is that one blown?
Yeah, it's this one right here. It blinks.
Yeah. Maybe let me see if I can get my baby finger. Why is this one blown up then?
No idea.
Is that a headlight bulb? Tell me you can't get your meat claws in there.
Sorry I'm not as blessed as you, Travis.
Yeah, it's broken.
Well, that ain't gonna work. Oh, you can kind of see it.
Well, auto parts store.
Easy enough, yeah.
Let's go.
Let's do it.
We'll let the catch can cool down. Yeah, just put those anywhere. Yeah. Alright, we're having issues with this catch can. Well, we can't get any of the hoses off except for one. So we're just gonna jack it up and drain it from down below.
What a shame. Oh, God. Okay. Good thing I'm tall, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, not at all. Not tall at all. Bro, I'm not even lying right now. You got a step stool? Something to stand on. Get out of the way. Righty tighty. Lefty loosey. There we go.
Is it draining? It's all water. Oh my God, it's draining everywhere. Alright, catch can is drained. Even though only water came out of it, but...
I really hope that I'm tightening this right now.
Well, you know, it's lefty tighty, lefty loosey. Signals in, headlights in, oil catch drained of water, and lug nuts not done because they're the wrong ones.
Okay. So after he locked up his LSD due to lack of maintenance,
Who you calling out on that one?
no one. So me and Travis put a new diff in it, and then afterwards we're like, all right, it's all good. Well, he had the bike. So we decided to go race. We both thought that it was going to be a very good race, and it was not a very good race at all.
Well, because my bike's not fast at all. Well, compared to other thousands.
Well, yeah, but I mean, as fast as this thing is, and you put bus links on it in a matter of seconds.
I thought it'd keep up, because on the dyno...
Yeah, so did I. The first race that we did, we went from 40. Actually, we went from 40 on both of them?
Yeah.
The first one, I didn't brake boost at all. Second one, I brake boosted, did not make a difference. Well, I guess the second one, I kept up in the beginning a little bit better.
Until I twisted the throttle.
Until I kept up a little bit for maybe 2, maybe 3 seconds, and then it was just...
I thought it was going to be a closer race, because this thing only put 130 down on the dyno. Well, 129, but...
Yeah, you're an asshole.
Call
Yeah,
me
throw
up.
the videos and let them watch it.
Call me a liar over.
But see, you have to have something to compare it to, because, like, people are going to watch that and be like, oh my god, that Evo's slow as balls.
What do you want to compare it to? The Fairlane ejected the drive shaft yesterday.
I'm talking, we're going to need more footage. We're going to have to go out with him on a weekend. Maybe do a separate video and, like, go out with him on a weekend. Get some more footage of him racing other things.
Alright, I guess that puts a wrap on the video then. Alright, I lied when we said we were wrapping the video. We heading up to Honda. Check some codes on this thing.
Who thinks about stuff like
who would
that?
think about stuff
We
like
did.
that?
Or vid.
I guess you could say we Honda way. I'm glad that finally
Worked.
yeah.
Yeah.
Catch up when we get back to Honda.
They're just not in yet.
Sit in the middle, bud. What that?
I guarantee you after the first pull, that code's going to come back on.
Oh yeah, definitely.
I guess there's a stage clutch in it.
Oh yeah, it's heavy.
I can tell how you like it.
It's very, yeah, you got to get it to like almost $3,000, otherwise it just bogs.